Hey Kim, this one is definitely, it took me a while of staring at it before I kind of figured out what the pattern was on matrix B. Now here's what's going on, and how I did this was I kind of thought about, let me get my pen going here if I can. I thought about what happens to these ordered pairs here. So if we think about this little L diagram that we've made, check out what happens. We're starting here at the origin. Is this going to work for me now? My pen drawer? No. Totally just unresponsive. So I'm going to have to write my finger. Sorry, Kim. Basically, we have the origin here, 0 and 0, right? And look up here. This is, look at it vertically. It's like an X and a Y down here. So this itself, in highlight, is like the first ordered pair. Do you see that? And then we kind of go through as we move left to right. We get more ordered pairs. So this ordered pair here becomes 0 and 3. Right? And look, that's our next ordered pair right there, 0 and 3. So I guess it's the other way, isn't it? 0 and 3. So I got that. Even I got the pattern wrong on this one. They change it. So this is the X component, and this is the Y up top. Our next ordered pair right here, this is going to be at the ordered pair 3 and 1. And we can see that right here, right? 3 and 1. So this is our... Those are our X's and our Y's, and then we go over to the point 1, 1. We go to the point, what's that, 1, 6. So hopefully you can kind of see the pattern from now. Basically, this is all the ordered pairs, matrix B, just like stacked vertically on top of one another. So we got all the X's on the top row and all the Y's on the bottom row. Okay, so that's where that comes from. To start solving this, just start multiplying those two matrices. Give that a shot. If it doesn't help at all, or if you need more help or you get stuck later on, just shoot me another email and I'll help you again. Thanks.